Okay, so let's take a look at how you can enable shortcodes in text widget. So by default, as you know, WordPress doesn't allow shortcut copying as is, and to enable shortcodes in text widgets, what we will do is go to appearance, then theme editor, then we'll find the functions.php. Okay, so in functions.php you will notice that it is specific to the theme or child theme that you're using. So let's see, in my case I have to add at the bottom. Here you have to type in add underscore filter and then type in widget underscore text. Okay, do underscore shortcode. Okay, and then semicolon. Save this. Once saved, you will be able to add your text widget onto your theme. And then let's say if I have this text widget which I wish to add in after entry or footer 1, let's see, add widget. Here I can then add something like YouTube, which is a shortcode. Okay, and then include the URL. Okay, and then close it. That's one possibility. Okay, you can add any other shortcode that you want for your usage. But now that you have added option to enable shortcode in text widget, you know where to use this widget and then include the media you wish to enable.